Today I'm very honored to welcome a new customer. She's Aspasia and a housewife. She's going shopping and she drops by my spa to have a trendy makeup look. Welcome and let's begin. Her skin is not good. Let me help her handle the pimples. Then clean her eyebrows and trim her nose hair. Remove the blackhead from her nose. Wash her face and put on some clay mask. Afterwards, move to the makeup part. Blend the foundation and powder to keep the makeup last long. Some contours and highlights make her nose look higher. Red blush is needed too. Wear lighter lenses to make her eyes look sparkle. I choose a new concept for her eyes and eyebrows to look modern. Gloss lipstick will match her makeup look today. She has long red hair and I will curl it a little bit. Make sure her ears be clean before wearing accessories. Put a scarf to make her outfit outstanding. Don't forget to take a picture, pose. What do you think of this look out of 10? Let me know by commenting below. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Pang Pang ASMR to get the notification for new videos. Bye!